Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a simple saltwater battery at home. What you'll need, some salt, 4 plastic cups, they can also be glass, some diodes they can get at a hardware store. I got mine from Micro Center. Some copper wires, you can buy these on a coil, or if you don't want as much, you can strip some wires you have at home and take those. We also got tap water. You can also use distilled water. We got aluminum foil. This will act as our anode in the experiment. We have a teaspoon to measure the salt and a cup to measure the water. We also have a voltmeter to measure the charges of our batteries. So we'll be using a 1.5 volt battery to test our voltmeter. So take black, that's negative. It's gonna be a little tricky. Red is positive. As you see, we got about 1.5. Your accuracy may depend on the voltmeter. Okay, so you're also gonna want to keep some paper towels on hand because you may spill some water and you don't want your parents to get mad at you, do you? Okay, so to start, we're gonna make a 1-cell battery to start off. Take some water. Take your measuring cup. Take 1 cup of water. This is half. Alright, we got our 1 cup. Now we're gonna take our teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon, so you're gonna scoop twice and get 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna want to use something to mix. We got our salt and we're mixing. I want to mix it well. Finish mixing. First, we'll take our anode, which is aluminum, and then we'll take our cathode, which is copper. Put it in the water. We'll use the black probe on the cathode, which is negatively charged, and the red probe on the anode, which is positively charged. As you can see, we're getting a charge of 0.5. It's a little hard to measure, but yeah, around 0.5. So now we're gonna try the same with 4 cups, as we'll have a 4-cell battery. We should expect around 2 volts of power as we're using 4 cells now. Okay, so as you can see, we repeated the steps that we just did in all 4 cups. To make it easier for yourself, I would wrap the tinfoil around the wire. That way you'll get a good reading. And now we will test what the voltage is. So do what you did before. Black on copper, red on aluminum. Should get around 2 volts. So you can see we're getting 1.9, 2.1. Alright, stop reading. There you go, 2 volts. In this experiment, we learned how connecting positive and negative of 2 different batteries can be used to create a battery of much higher charge. A battery with 1 cell using the saltwater battery method had a voltage of 0.5, but by using 4 of the same battery, we created a much bigger battery with a voltage of 2 volts. Like this, there are many other types of batteries that are used in our daily life. Lead acid batteries are used in cars, and we also have lithium ion batteries that are used in the phone that you're using right now. These batteries have much higher charge densities, which allow them to have a much more powerful voltage.